Back at the beach, it's a scorcher of a weekend. We're in the Ardmore area in County Waterford. First time I've ever gone to this spot. We're at Ballyquin Beach, and to get here, if you take the signs on the N25, you take the turn for Ardmore, and a couple of miles down along you'll see a sign which says the Strand, 1 kilometre. Doesn't give you the name of the beach, but haven't seen anything like it, especially with those dark rocks there to my right. Looks like we're in rockpool territory to the left, but it seems to be quite expansive. Extends all the way in the distance there, and just over those rocks, that's Ardmore, where we're heading to shortly. And we're going to explore the cliffs and see some ancient relics and buildings along there too. And the current temperature is about 23 degrees Celsius. A little bit cooler than inland, because I think in the likes of Kilkenny it's around 28, 29, possibly 30, believe it or not. And the warm weather will still continue throughout the whole of the week, so we're either blessed or we're cursed, depending on your outlook. But I'm just going to make the most of this and explore the great outdoors whilst we still have this weather. And look at that, just one of those rock pools there. Is there anything in it? Yeah, I see a couple of tiny fish in it moving around. I don't know if you can see that. And just over the other side, even more rock pools and the rest of Ballyquin Beach. And so as you go into the village of Ardmore, I think it's a village rather than a town, well, you have to go up the hill a little bit, come across these steep steps, and it's to the entrance of St. Declan's Monastery and Church. Look at all these steps we've just gone down there. See how steep they are. So we just continue now. And it's a lovely graveyard as well. It's very picturesque. It's almost reminiscent of Glendalough. If you remember, we visited there back in September. And look at that. That's a round tower there. And look at this resplendent view of the round tower, looking all the way into the bay. And this is St. Declans Oratory. Looks as if it's closed at the moment, locked up. So the oratory is traditionally the burial place of St. Declan, the founder of the monastery at Ardmore, and is said to have already been a Christian bishop in Munster before St. Patrick arrived in Ireland. And it's one of the main reasons for the belief that Christianity may have come to the southeast of Ireland earlier than to the rest of the country. And just at the top of the graveyard, you'll find this map, just in case you get lost, or give you a few bearings of the area. And it looks like that there's some kind of religious walk, a long distance walk from Ardmore all the way to Cashel in County Tipperary. And it's opened in July 95. Some details there on this plaque. You'll find that just outside to the right, and we'll just head back in again. A couple of big steps there, and that's the round tower again. And we're going to go and check out the ruins of the old monastery up ahead. And just look at those ancient designs on the side of it. The artwork there from back in the day. We're just going into it now. So here's the entrance. It's what to expect. It looks amazing. And that's the wall where you saw the artwork designs on the other side. Looks like an old grave of Susan Francis. A few more gravestones on the side. And we're walking just to the far end where we go no further. And look at that blue sky. I love amazing sunny blue skies. They're a rarity in Ireland, but I have been blessed because I have captured quite a few of them in my vlogs. And we're not over yet. There's going to be plenty more to see here in Ardmore.